Hello students, welcome to the maths class, standard 6. Now we are going to start chapter number 13, symmetry, and I hope all you have written exercise of chapter number 12 in your fair notebook. All you have to complete your notebook, you have to write all the exercise in your notebook. Here, what is the name of this chapter? It is a symmetry. So what is the meaning of symmetry? Actually, this word is not particularly for the mathematics. It's a universal word that is used all over. Now, what is the meaning of this symmetry that we are going to study here in this chapter? So, basically, symmetrical. Any object is given that is symmetrical, that is said to be symmetrical when they have balanced proportion. Now, what is the meaning of this balanced proportion? For example, here circle is given. Okay, you have to assume it's a proper circle. If you are going to fold this circle, then you can see both the parts are equal to each other, and one part or part on the left hand side is same as exactly covers the part on the right hand side. Understood? So this word symmetry is most common word that is used in a day-to-day life. And here you can see some pictures are given. Taj Mahal. Okay. This is a picture here. Tiruvannamalai of Tamil Nadu. These pictures of architectural marvel are beautiful because of their symmetry. Now from all the angles you can see this Taj Mahal is symmetrical. If you make vertical line here, then it divides this Taj Mahal into two equal parts. From all the angles, from all the sides, this Taj Mahal seems symmetrical. So now suppose we could fold a picture in half such that the left and right halves match exactly, then the picture is said to have a line symmetry. What is the meaning of this line symmetry? When you fold a picture in half, okay, such way that both the parts left and right match exactly each other, then that picture is said to be have a line symmetry. You can see this port. If you are going to make vertical line, or if you are going to make half, you fold this picture, then you can see both the parts are same, and both the parts are matches exactly each other. Okay, then this picture is said to have a line symmetry. Some of the examples are given. You can take the example of square, okay, then rectangle. All these pictures are the examples of line symmetry. Next, we can see that the two halves are mirror image of each other. For example, here on the one side we are going to draw some figure. Okay, now if you put the mirror here, you can see the same figure, same picture on the other side, and that is said to be have a line symmetry. Okay, if you place a mirror on the fold, here you are going to place the mirror, then the image of one side, image of this side of the picture will fall exactly on the other side, will see here exactly on the other side of the picture. So when it happens, when mirror is placed, okay, that's why it is known as a mirror line of symmetry. Now let's see the exercise 13.1. First question, list any four symmetrical from your home or school. You have to list four names of symmetrical object from the school or from the home. First example, notebook, that is a symmetrical. Okay, if you are going to make two parts of the notebook, okay, by making vertical line or horizontal line, not exactly how to make two parts, then it seems a what symmetrical. Then blackboard, you can assume, you can think of blackboard, you will put here blackboard is there, you can divide this blackboard horizontally also and vertically also. Okay, then glass at your home, then ink pot, all these examples are of symmetrical objects. Question number 2, for the given figure, which one is the mirror line, L1 or L2? Here is a figure given, which one is a mirror line? Here is L1 and here is L2. Now see, here L1, if you are going to make a symmetrical line here, that it not, this line is not dividing this object into two equal parts, that's why it's not a symmetrical. Now here is L2, make a symmetrical line here, then you can see left part and right part both are symmetrical and exactly falls on each other. That's why L2 is the mirror line, as both sides of line are symmetrical. Third question, identify the shapes given below. Check whether they are symmetrical or not. Draw the line of the symmetry as well. First one. So vertical line of symmetry. Okay, it is symmetric. Because we are going to draw vertical line of symmetry, then both the sides of the lines are symmetric. Then glass, yes, it is a symmetrical. Then here any random shape is given. If you are going to draw vertical line of symmetry, then it will not divide this object or this figure into two equal parts. Then draw horizontal line of symmetry, then also it's not possible, that's why it's not symmetric. Then D1, yes, here line of symmetry is possible. E, yes, this figure you can divide into two equal parts with the line of symmetry. F, yes, here it's a pentagon shape, it's also possible to divide into two equal parts. Now this question number 4, no need to do. Sorry, we have to do, I thought, yeah, here you have to draw. I thought it's some project work is given, it's very easy. See, copy the following on a square paper. A square paper is what you would have used in your arithmetic notebook in earlier classes. Then complete them such that the dotted line is a line of symmetry. Here no need to purchase any paper or square paper, but in your textbook you can draw, or in the notebook you can draw without drawing all these squares. Now what you have to do, here you can see in the first figure this portion is given already, you have to complete left side. So by seeing these squares you have to make this other part using the line of symmetry. Okay, so whatever part is given exactly on the right hand side, same as you have to draw on the left hand side. So that is in homework. Question number 5. In the figure, L is the line of symmetry. Complete the diagram to make it symmetric. It's very easy. Whatever part is given on the upside, that same you have to draw on the downside. So with the help of scale, you can draw it. Okay, or you can fold this paper. First of all, you can draw the left upper side. Then you can fold the page, and then you can put the dots here after folding it, and you can complete it. So it's very easy. You have to do yourself. Question number 6. In the figure, L is the line of symmetry. Draw the image of the triangle and complete the diagram so that it becomes symmetrical. So here, this is a triangle. You have to complete it. So you have to draw symmetrical part. You have to complete this figure as it becomes symmetric. So this is a part that is on the left side of the line. The same part should be on the right side of the symmetrical line. So it will be like that. Okay, and this part is on the right side of the figure that should be on the left side. So this way how to draw the triangle. That's why it becomes symmetrical. So here this exercise is over. In the next video we will start 13.2. Thank you.